Hi, Tom here at Our Pastime. I am finally making a video I have been meaning to make for a very long time. I might have shown you, I made a video quite a while ago when I fixed this sickle servicer up. It's a Johnson sickle servicer from Johnson Farm Machinery Company. They still make these. You can order one online right from their website at jfmco.com. And if you have an extra $479 kicking around, don't know what to do with it, you can order a brand new one right from them right online today. So today I thought I would put two blades in, or two knives, two sections, and show you one section I've already put in and go over a little bit of how that works. It works pretty good. The best place that I've found to get some of the parts, like the parts nowadays, I guess, would be Webb's Sickle Service. I'll leave the link in the description below. They sell the sections or the knives, blades, however you want to call them. But today I'm going to be using some old blades that I have kicking around. They were made in Canada, and they're Case IH blades from Canada. They're a little different. They're pretty much the same dimension, but these are older. And for this blade, it's not a blade I'll probably use right off. I have a pretty good blade on my cutter bar already, so I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes today. When I went to Webb's, I decided to use them as my supplier for the rivets, and I ordered the rivets from them. I needed 9/16, and I wasn't sure if I was going to do anything with the knife head up here. So I ordered the correct size rivets for those two, which are 3/4 inch. And just to replace a regular blade or knife or section, you only need the 9/16. So I knew I had on a lot of my blades, they need new sections. So I ordered a whole bunch of 9/16 and one package of 3/4 inch rivets. But the funny thing was, there's a word of caution here. I ordered two 9/16 and one 3/4. But when I got looking at the labels, the 3/4 came in a box labeled 9/16. And one of my 9/16 came in a box labeled 3/4. So you may end up having to send your order back. If you just want 9/16, you may end up with 3/4. I'm not sure how they're sitting on the shelf at Webb's. I also ordered some rivets from Tractor Supply, and I tried using the Tractor Supply rivets, and I wasn't very happy with them because the metal on that the rivets are made out of seems to be a lot tougher, stronger, and it doesn't work as well. It doesn't compress as well as the rivets from Webb's must be a softer metal. That's all I could figure out. And so you needed a lot more strength to make a rivet with Tractor Supply. I think these are more designed to be hammered instead of used with the Johnson Sickle Servicer. So that's a word of caution. So now, why don't we try putting a section, one of these, into the blade and see how that works. All right, let's put a section in. rivet in first. Rivet goes in, and then it fits in the lower die block. Feel the rivet head go in there. Then I put the other one in upside down just to hold the section in place. Now we're ready to clamp down. See what happens. It does take a little bit of force. And look at that. We have a rivet head. Then we'll just turn the other one upside down and slide that over. Got in the slot on the lower die block. This is the lower die block. Repeat the process. Push down on the handle. Now we should have a section already in place. Look at that. Just as quick as that, we have a section replaced. Repeat the process. Nine 16ths rivets. Place one in upside down to hold the blade, and one right way too. Hold the section, not the blade, you know what I mean. Slide it into the lower die slot, pull it down, just like that. Up we go. Switch that around, get that out. Just jiggled it a little bit. Alright, put that one in, pull down. Just like that, you have a complete blade. Now, I need to replace another blade. So let's show you how to replace a blade now. So, cool thing about this is you can replace and remove blades too. We're removing this blade. Okay, so this saves you a lot of time, because before I had the sickle servicer, I did have to replace a blade on my other good working cutter bar, and I did it by hand, but I didn't have this sickle servicer. So to remove this blade, or this is the anvil plate, and this is the push-off plate. Right here, this little contraption here, and that pushes against the section, against the anvil plate. So let's see what happens. Just like that, the blade has separated, or the section. So now we need to get the rivets out of the bar. For that, we go back up. Here, and we have a push out. The rivet punch. This little rivet punch here will punch the rivet through. You have to be careful to line that right up on the rivet, or you'll bend that punch and you'll have to replace it. Which I did have to replace this punch because when I got this servicer, that punch was damaged. There. See if we can show it a little closer. Just like that. Now we're ready to replace that with another section. Let me get a section. Alright, same process as before. We've got another section. Just need to use two 9/16 rivets. Need to get the push pin out of there. There we go. New section. Put this in there to hold it straight. If I can line up the hole. That hole's not quite as... Well, I think I can probably push it through. There we go. Now we just put some pressure on it, make a rivet head. One. Take the other one out. Get ready to slide the bar over. That one worked a lot easier. Put it in the slot. Just like that. Real time that time. Just that quick and easy. There. Alright. Let's look at that. Much easier than trying to use a hammer. Saves me a lot of time. There. This blade, probably could just take a file. It's pretty sharp. even though it doesn't look that good. This is mostly just a demonstration of the sickle servicer. So, you know, I have a lot of these blades that have never been used. They came with the tractor when I got it, so I could actually replace all of these and have a brand new cutter bar if I wanted to. But this is mostly for a demonstration. I replaced 4 blades. That last one, once you get going, that's as long as it takes. Just, you know, about a minute and you have a new blade, as opposed to drilling those out like I had to do on the first time I ever replaced one of these sections. Drill it out, or if you hit it with a hammer just right, a lot of times those will come out. But yeah, this is what you need if you're going to do a lot of sickle work, or replacing sections, or even have to service your whole blade. So that's just a little demonstration for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, folks, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a demonstration video on the Johnson sickle servicer that I have. I've been meaning to make this video for quite a while, and if you like this video and want to see other videos like this, I hope you'll take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It helps bring more content like this to you. Well, that's about it for this video. I want to thank you for watching, and hope you'll take a moment to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, and hit the bell notification to be notified of future videos that I'll be making. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. It's probably going to be something to do with the solar project that I'm working on. I plan to do a solar rack over my woodpile next weekend, depending on the weather. And this was a fun video making that I've been meaning to do for quite a while. We replaced this blade, and these 2 blades. And all it took was 9/16 rivets, the Johnson sickle servicer, and a little bit of time. It really, if I didn't have to make the video, it probably would have taken 5 minutes to do all that with the servicer. That's how efficient that is, as opposed to probably an hour of drilling, hammering, and you know, frustration if you don't have this tool. So it's well worth it. If you want to buy it brand new, it's $479 online at Johnson Farm Machinery Company. Just Google that. It's jfmco.com, I believe, if you want to go there. They make all the parts still for this little tool, and if you're doing a lot of work with sickles, it's well worth the investment. This one came to me from a friend out of the blue, and I don't do a lot of sickle work or sickle maintenance, but I certainly could if I needed to with this machine, this little tool. It really does the job well, quick and efficient. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and catch me again real soon for another video here at Our Pastime. Thanks for watching. Tom here. See you later. Join me again soon. Bye-bye.